So now I'm here with the Jaguar I-Pace as a Fastned high power charging, and this car doesn't have the update, so it cannot charge with 100 kilowatt, but it should be around 80. I don't know how to see that. I never charged at a Fastned charging station before if they show the speed, because the car doesn't show the speed. So let's go and look. Fancy schmancy. That's 350 kilowatt. Well, this car can do it. Okay. How do you open this thing? Ah, that's easy. And a little clap, isn't it? I thought. Ah, you can pull it. Is it? You get. Oh, I thought it was a little thing that goes down. Maybe it was the e-tron. So, hi. It wants me to connect. Oh, that's a fat cable. God, I can't do it by myself. Jesus. It's a big, big cable. Ooh. Ooh. I don't think it's in. There we go. That was power. Start. What's the card? Where did I put the card? Ooh, this one works. No idea how much it costs though. Ooh, communicating with the car. Ooh, language. English. Ooh, they make sound. Yeah, stupid truck. That's noise, and you can't see the speed. God damn it. Can I see the speed in here? Ooh, the charging screen is nice. That looks good. Look at that. It can't be 56 minutes. Because, yeah, it's okay. But again, no charging limit. God, it makes noise, that charger. Ooh, I can see the how many kilowatt hours have been charged, so I can do a bit of calculation. But again, we are at 73%, so it's hard to say. But in 1 minute, almost 1 kilowatt hour, that's okay. Yeah, this is the transformer there. It makes noise too. This is where the cable goes. We just built this station. It's totally new. Yeah, this one has the fan on, and this not. So this is for the other one. So there are two 350 kilowatt chargers here, and one normal 50 kilowatt charger. That makes noise. It's nice with the wood and everything. It's a nice design. Little solar panels, tiny ones on top. I'm sure that's only for the light. And it's not a roof. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's closed, so you don't get wet. That's great. I like that. 2 minutes. Let's do 3 minutes. And then do it times 20. So it's charged 2.39 kilowatt hours in around 3 minutes. That means it's around 48 kilowatt charging, but we are at 76%, so I'm not mad about that. This dude doesn't light or anything. Bluetooth connection it is. The charging screen looks nice. Oh, 91%. Check it out. Okay, so 15.6 kilowatt hours in 22 minutes. Do the math. I will do it later. Not now. Okay, that's it. Let's stop. Charging is stopped. Okay. It's better, but oh my god, it's hard. So this was a bit of charging on a Fastned charger. Sadly, I cannot drive as much, so to drive it down to almost zero and then drive it to 100% and see how charging curve and everything looks like. But this car again doesn't have the update. It only can charge with up to 80 kilowatt, not to 100 kilowatt like the ones with have the update, even though this is a brand spanking new car. It had 159 kilometers when I got it. So I'm surprised that the update is not installed at the factory. But again, yeah, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.